Wait lang, mamaya na ako manlalaban din. Huwag ka muna sumali. Ay, video
Takot malamangan, ganyan tayo eh.
Vlog ba, vlog?
Ano bloodletting?
Welcome vlog, welcome to my guys.
Vlogger ako, vlogger. Eh.
Ngayon kayo kanina sa ano?
Take over.
Ito daw ah.
Pirasong paray mo na yan.
Mangot. Palawan pa rin.
Andito kami ngayon sa Japan. Ay, iba pala to. Andito kami ngayon sa MCSTA. Papunta kami Intramuros. Kala mo, kunwari hindi pa kami pupunta sa Intramuros. Other part ng Intramuros naman yung pupuntahan namin. Tama ba?
Sinachat ko.
Alam nyo na pupunta natin lugar?
Intramuros.
Intramuros, what else? Our first stop will be at CCP po. Ayan, so sa CCP complex, ayan, so hindi po natin makakasabay yung isang bus. Ayan, kasi magkakaroon tayo ng interval ng 30 minutes po. Siguro makakasabay po natin sila mamaya, pauwi na. So now, magkano ang gusto matanggap na price?
1,000!
Magkano po?
1,000!
1K. Sino po nagsabi 1K? Taas po ang kamay. Parang ano po. Ayan, so meaning ko sa hindi na po nagtatapos ang ating trabaho at pinagkapay mo. Yeah, so joke lang. Because my family descent me here, ayun. Nalaman po nila ang lahi ng mga magulang ko. Ang nanay ko kasi isang Ita, ang tatay ko isang Ilocano. Pinagsama lang po kasi tinatago ko Tagalog. Okay, ngayon, magpapala...
Ilan naman?
We're done. So now we're going to proceed to CCP, Cultural Center of the Philippines. Sobrang init ng araw.
Nangitim ba ako namumula?
It's currently 22 degrees Celsius out here, but we are enjoying the heat to experience the Cultural Arts Museum here today.
Nag-guess na lang.
So I'd like to feel welcome in my house.
Bahay pala to ni Kurt Hidalgo.
Here's my parking lot.
Pakalaki naman ng bahay mo. Dala niyo po sila Lapu-Lapu.
Hindi po eh. Kamag-anak po nung tatay ko yun.
Bakit nandito ka po?
Okay, yan. So guys, kasi dun sa mga makikita niyo po dyan, manonood din po kayo ng movie sa taas. Short film lang po siya, no? Ayan,
Pwede siya pang vlog?
movie is Alikabok sa ilalim ng dagat.
So how does it feel visiting here in Manila?
It's like, so far it's fun because I'm with you guys, but like, I'm still thinking of, I don't know.
Wanna know more?
Sarap po naman. Picturean mo nga kami. And how's your visit here in the Philippines?
So actually my purpose here.
What's your purpose here? I don't know po.
I have a business partner.
Business part? Wow!
Yes.
Paano mo i-advertise?
Hindi ako. Gusto ko talaga nito, be.
Cute, no?
Kunwari nawawala yung
OFW guys of America.
Hindi ko na to ibabalik.
Itatago mo na. Be, tama na. Tigil mo na, Be. Be.
Puta. Tutok na tutok. Sino ka ba?
Excuse me po.
Doon ka nga.
Ala! Bakit may Japanese dito sa
Susuntokin kita. Wala pang maayos sa makeup.
wala pa.
Gago ka.
Ay, kayo ba? Vlog. Hindi, hindi naman.
$400 di ba? Pag naman ako nakulog na eh. Di ba? Pag
Bubi, wala na siya makita.
Ang ganda mo na naman, bida-bida ka na naman.
ang galing ko yung makeup mo, may webs
Ito rin, oo.
Kasi,
Siya talaga.
Ayan, lalaban yung teacher. Mga teacher.
Mga teacher na naka-NCST.
Dinaan ka sa wisdom. Paano mag-gaslight si Kurt? Ginagaslight ka lang yun ni Kurt.
yung inaasar ka pero nataling ka niya sa wisdom.
Gusto niya na papaniyakan.
Tapos pag yung tali mo,
Kanya-kanyang laitan ah.
He takes pleasure from that.
Water vendor ka.
Ayan. So, okay pa. This space lang po ha. Stay lang po tayo muna dito. Ayan. Have their own concept, design, and structure, and are made of different materials as well. They serve as tangible certainty of each artist, allowing us to appreciate and recognize their contribution to Philippine art and how to sculptor by Honrado Fernandez in 1992. Ayan. So, design yan ni Honrado Fernandez. Actually, he is an architect. In this little organic being that grows, multiplies, and changes along with the things added to it. When new things, diba, in life are discovered by people, environment, or elements, it continues to change. Sabi nga nila, change is constant. And life 6, 2009, 2012, 2018, 2021. So,
Init sa Pinas?
sobrang init sa Pilipinas. Hindi na nakakamunyeka to. Ang ganda here, no? Lalo na pag gabi.
It's like,
Ay! Arte, mga ko.
kinaya yung init dito. So ngayon, bumalik na kami sa bus and pupunta na kami ngayon sa Intramuros.
po na pampato natin sa paligatan natin ng other than Francisco Baltasarte.
Magkamukha kayo, babe.
Hindi kita ginaganyan, hindi kita dinadaw na.
Tila ikaw ang museo na Marila.
Bobo yung intro.
Ay, saan.
Ano yun? Paano?
Marila.
Eh! Wala sa'yo eh.
Ay. Kala mo to, be.
Ikabuka nga. Yan o.
Ay, sige.
Kasi i-stop mo yun.
So, yun dun papasukan.
Wait, stop ka dyan.
Soft opening.
Dito ba kain?
Dito ba yung lunch?
Dito na ba?
lang, Linda. How's the view there?
It's very refreshing, very common.
Yes. It's very inspiring.
I will miss you, Philippines.
Goodbye.
Yung de-icing po, yung ginagawa, yung process po ng de-icing is i-explain ko lang yung part ng
In order to ensure a safe and unproblematic flight experience for everyone, including the flight crew, we ourselves, as the passengers, must follow and comply with all the passenger, that is, us.
Di ba napatanong ka sa sarili mo? Ano yun?
Yung fan ko.
yung pad mo
Wait, ang Latina niya dyan.
Dang, girl.
parang face card
Never
decline.
decline.
Pull the elastic strap over your head and tighten by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and normally. If you are traveling with a child, attend to yourself first, then to the child. Please note that the emergency exits on this aircraft. There are 6 emergency exits. These are the 2 doors on the front, and at the rear, and at 2 at each.
Goodbye, Philippines. Hello, perfect.
Dim the cabin light. In case there's an emergency when we land, we are used to the darkness already. Now you will ask, why? How come we have to open the window shades? Okay? Every time we take off and we land, the window shades will be open. Why there?
Goodbye, Philippines.
In case we do an emergency landing or a ditching, the cabin crew know where to which door it's safe to open. Baka there's fire. So how do we serve? How do we serve our passengers? Okay? First,
Can I get your treat?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Would you like to? We're having snacks. Would you like to join us?
Of course, let's go.
Thank you.
Ay, si Margo pala. Kala ko Margo.
We have a drink here. Is there anything you'd like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, juice, water.
I would like to go with Coke.
Would you like to put ice? Would you like me to put ice?
Yes, of course.
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That's nice. So you, doesn't have food yet? You? Yeah. Okay. And then there you go. We'll give you the word.
Please take your nap.
Very good. Very good.
Enjoy your snacks, ma'am.
Nice.
Welcome.
Tingin ng cupcake.
Yes. Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just landed at Narita International Airport. Local time is 5 p.m.
Ano to?
Bakit ang lighting sa akin dito? Pati ako mga picture natin kanina.
Tsaka yan, no? Dito kami ngayon sa Venison. Meron kaming 30 minutes lang para mag-ikot dito and mag-enjoy.
Tingin ako. Ay, talaga pinunta namin yung boat to.
Boat o boat?
Boat. Ay, boat. May boat kasi doon, tsaka may boat doon. Sa baba yung boat.
So ano nga doon? Yung boat o yung boat?
Muna, tapos mamaya na tayo sa... Ay, hindi, sa boat na muna tayo. Kasi ako... Uy, gagi. Gagi ako sila.
Cute. Hey, Kabe. Hindi mawawala. Oh, hindi mawawala sa vlog ko yung babae ko.
Ayun na lang ulit
Kamusta, Be? At sobrang saya ko kasi nagkaroon din ako ng picture na magaling.
Be, dito picture.
Picturean kita? Saan? Wait lang. Mabalik na kami ngayon. Ginawa lang natin dito mag-picture. Vlog yan, Be. Subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Anong name ng channel mo?
Baby's Vlog, guys. Subscribe niyo ako, guys. Support niyo ako.
Pinaka nakakalungkot na part sa tour, which is yung magpapaalam na, ay ginagaya ang mga tao sa Pilipinas. So ayun guys, so uwi na kami. After ng sobrang nakakapagod na araw na ito, ay natapos clean. And ngayon, nandito kami sa BGC. Uuwi na kami. And I really enjoy this day because I learned a lot from a lot of pictures. And
She learned She learned a lot. She learned about a lot about being bitches.
yes, I learned how to communicate with customers.
Tapos,
Layo.
hindi na kita gagawin ng tanga.
And I learned how to doggy.
Kung ano ang